This video tutorial is for your message center. Now in my demo account, we don't have any messages received, and YouTube won't allow me to show contact information, but if you navigate to your message center from your left-hand menu, this is where any text replies will come. It will show your contact's name, phone number, and then the message that they sent. Furthermore, we wanted to take it a step further with Tom so that you could respond to text messages in real time. So although all of your text replies will show here in Message Center, you will also receive a text message to your on-call phone number with the contact's name, the contact's phone number, and the message that they sent. So you can simply click on their phone number from the text and continue that conversation in real time. While we're here, and I can show you where your on-call phone number is. If you navigate to the top right where your logo or photo is, click Profile, and right here at the top is your on-call phone number. We'd like this to be a cell phone number so that you can receive the text forwards, and you can add more than one. If you've got a team, maybe receptionists that work on different days, whatever the case may be, you can add more than one on-call phone number so that when you receive a text reply, it will first hit Message Center, and then Tom will forward it on to your cell phone.